Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today I'm in Brighton and I want to know how people would define British humour and if they have any jokes for me. Let's go. Hit us with it. What joke do you know?
I know a little one, so it's what do you call a pig with 3 eyes?
What do you call a pig with 3 eyes?
A pig.
I've got what do you call a snowman that has a melt? No. Oh no, I just dropped the word. I said, what do you?
Sorry, we'll edit it out.
Okay. Shall I go again then?
Yeah, cut. Start again. Action.
A man fell off a sea wall. He strained his groin.
Brace yourselves.
Hit us with a joke.
Okay. Why did the one-armed man cross the road?
Tell me, why did the one-armed man cross the road?
To get to the second-hand store. Told you it was terrible.
Okay, so what do you call a snowman that has a tantrum?
What do you call a snowman that has a tantrum?
A meltdown.
Perfect.
That was quite a good one.
Okay, so a joke. I have a joke. How many Sigmund Freuds does it take to change a light bulb? It's 2. 1 to change the light bulb and 1 to hold the penis. I mean ladder. Terrible.